In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new sales order in Zoho Inventory effortlessly, guiding you through each step with clarity and precision. So, let's get started by logging into your Zoho Inventory account. Once you're in, take a glance at the left sidebar. You'll notice a section labeled Sales. Click on that, and a drop-down will appear where you'll see Sales Orders. Click on Sales Orders to navigate to the Sales Order Management section. Now that you're in the right place, look towards the top right portion of your screen. You'll find a button labeled Plus New. Go ahead and click that to open up the sales order form. This is where you'll input all the necessary details for your sales order. Let's focus first on filling in the customer details. Here, you have the flexibility to select an existing customer from your database, or, if you're dealing with a new customer, you can add them easily on the fly. Don't forget to check the billing and shipping address fields, which can be edited directly to suit this particular transaction. Next up, let's adjust the order metadata. You'll notice that the sales order number is auto-generated by default, but if you'd prefer to handle this manually, simply click on the settings icon to make the switch. It's also critical to enter relevant information like the reference number, order date, and the expected shipment date to keep everything well documented. Additionally, you can choose a suitable delivery method for your order, and if necessary, set a price list and specify the salesperson involved. Moving on to adding items to your sales order. Look under the Item Details section and click to select the item straight from your inventory. If your order involves multiple items, you can use the Add Another Line option for each new item or bulk add items to speed up the process. Enter the quantity needed, the rate for each item, and don't forget to apply any applicable tax or discount. For a quick check of stock availability per selected warehouse, simply click on the warehouse icon. Near the bottom of the sales order form, you'll find a section for adding customer notes or terms and conditions. Any notes or terms you include here will carry forward automatically into the invoices, which can be quite handy for consistency and clarity. Once you're satisfied with all your entries, you'll have a couple of choices to wrap things up. You can either hit Save as Draft if you'd like to review or make changes later, or if everything is ready to go, select Save and Send to confirm the order and send it directly to your customer via email. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through creating a new sales order in Zoho Inventory. With these straightforward steps, you'll find managing your sales orders to be an efficient and seamless part of your workflow.